quick vid! Well, hello everybody, it is Bones-kun here, and unfortunately, you can see right here, we are, boom, stuck in maintenance, which is unfortunate, and you know what? I just wanted to really admire the opening screen, because I think it's really cool and everything like that, and I really wish that we wouldn't have to wait all the time to just, get into the game and do everything, but this winter event, who knows, maybe it's pretty cool, I don't really know, we're going to find out, make some snowmen, update some stuff, because that'd be pretty cool, but I don't know, man, I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is, and, that's just how you do things, and I want to log in now. And I just can't, and that's really unfortunate, but I'm really dragging on about this, but I just thought that I'd make a, little quick bit out of it, but I don't really know. I don't know. I hope you guys are waiting patiently for all this stuff, and I hope you're really excited, because, I mean, I want Lords Mobile to be good. Let's make Lords Mobile great again, everybody. Let's go ahead and do it. And that's it. So bye.